Tess, let's play hardball. Which sea-dwelling animal gets its name from the ancient Greek for eight-footed?
Octopus.
Correct. The name of which insect can follow stag and dung?
Beetle.
Correct. What name was given to an adult female pig?
Sow.
Correct. Which variety of the domestic pigeon is commonly used as a symbol of peace?
Dove.
Correct. Which domesticated animal has breeds called Russian Blue and Egyptian Mau?
Cat.
Correct. What is the common name of the animal that is also known as a prairie wolf or American jackal?
Coyote.
Correct.